Hey Vin, I just got over here to your house. I'm going to show you some things that I feel that maybe need to be done. Just going to point some things out to you, okay? This is your grass here by your mailbox. Definitely full of weeds. As you can see, your yard, it's full of weeds. Gyro said he was going to get some weed killer and stuff like that. He never did, or he did, it just never worked. I don't know. So that's outside. I'm going to walk kind of quick so this video is not awfully large. I've already been inside. Looks pretty good. AC is nice. It's on like 74 degrees, so that's good. See, everything looks pretty good as you can see. Here's the hardwoods I was telling you about. See, look at that. That's gonna turn off some buyers. See, the floor's like all wood rotted everywhere. This one's even sticking up. I asked Gyro to glue that down. He never did. And then it goes all the way over here. It kind of stops right there. It's just that little patch. The interior by the kitchen looks kind of good. There's some paint and stuff on the floor. That's about it. Then we got over here by the refrigerator. It's kind of wood rotting right in here, as you can see. That's about it. There's still some grime on the stove here. If you can see that, it's kind of black. Let's walk outside real quick. Out back looks pretty good. Maybe if the yard were just, landscaped and manicured by a professional, I think we'll be good. Okay, let's go back inside. This is the garage. I asked Gyro to spray it out. He said he did, but it definitely does not look like he did whatsoever. There's still a lot of trash in here. Some oil stains. I think what he told me was he told me he bought or the pressure washer that he rented. He said that the PSI was too high and it would have ripped off the paint or something like that in there. He could always have gone and rented another one where the PSI wasn't that high. I don't know. Maybe if you want to talk to him about that. Let's walk upstairs. I'll show you that stain. It's right here. As you're going up, this front bedroom over here. As you see, there's like a blue spot there. I don't remember this being here, to tell you the truth. When I first initially made my walkthrough, I would have noticed that. Truthfully, I don't want to point the fingers, but I was talking with Gyro. I was pointing out the Gyro, and I told him about this stain here, and he said he tried to clean it with something, and it just wasn't coming up. I think he made it worse than anything, really. But as you can see, as I back out, it's pretty predominant. The rest of the carpet, it's fairly good. So that big old spot right there. And it's kind of wrinkly, you see that? Like it needs to be stretched out and flattened. I'll walk through these rooms real quick, see if I can see anything. I hope I don't get your car sick. There's just like a rust stain or something. Let's go out here. The alarm keeps beeping. I know it's got like that sensor, like it just randomly beeps every couple minutes or so. I think we can disarm that somehow. You got to give me the code so I can do that, because that's pretty annoying. Alright, I think the rest looks kind of good. It probably could be vacuumed again, just because there's a lot of crap everywhere. This here, this is the attic hatch, as you can see. We were talking about this last time I was here with Gyro. I asked him if there was anything that he saw that probably should be done. He pointed this out to me, actually. And it was the attic door, and it has a bunch of fingerprints and just grime all over it. I told him, yeah, paint it. That's a great idea. Go ahead and paint it. Well, he never did. It's still pretty dirty. So if you want to get him back out here to paint that up, that would be good. Excuse me. All right. I think that's about it. If I can find anything else, I'll let you know. If you can think of anything, let me know. I will try to get a hold of the carpet guy for this thing here. Once again, if I can't, I'll let you know as well. And I guess we'll go from there. And then I'll give Gyro the $200 when I see him. All right. Take care.